In this practical example, we will detail a plastic stand by reviewing the commands for creating 2D sheets in SolidWorks 2013. Let's get started. Open the available file and see that we have a plastic holder. To start the breakdown, we click on File, Make Drawing from Part and choose the Render template. We drag the top view to the sheet and also the isometric view. We modified the display style of the isometric view. We created two section views to view internal support details. Follow up. Next, we add center marks and dimensions. We applied some tolerances. We insert annotation as to the slope of the faces of the stand, which is 3 degrees. Alright. We finish the detailing of the plastic support by entering the necessary information for its manufacture. The next exercise ends this course, where all the concepts and commands needed for the introductory basics of SolidWorks 2013 were addressed. Continue using software, creating your projects and learning how to use advanced features.